now we're good, dude.
Yeah. Smooth sailing, man. It's just when there's other cars.
Chris starts fucking getting all jippity and jumpy over there. Oh, damn.
Yeah, man, it's like the road freaking snakes and disappears. It's like an optical illusion. Really. Yeah, it's like it waited this year to snow, and then it just dumped on us all at once, like a glacier. Whoa.
Damn, I'm doing 55 right now, nigga.
Yeah, we're see that. Yeah, that's the thing. If we go down now, we got space. There's no one gonna smash it behind us or in front of us.
At 55, you slide for like 100 yards.
Yeah.
So we're gonna end up.
No, I've seen some slides, man, on this expressway through the years for sure. Especially on off ramps like that, like them things will get slick. There's one time I seen like 3 cars all go spinning in donuts down the hill, all 3 of them in a row. Yeah, man, this is smooth sailing right here. I wouldn't want to be these guys over on the other side. Yeah, it's like in the snow, you definitely you don't want to tailgate anyone.
Fuck that.
Yeah, you doubling. Ooh, wow. They could fit a frickin' UFO in there. Man, we got stuck on the way here behind a dumb driver. It's horrible. Oh, I see a bunch of red lights coming up here. Oh my gosh. That sounded weird. Sounded like riding on the Mackinac Bridge.